Oh, what's that? What is that?
Cars.
That's right, cars. Cool. What color are they?
Pink.
No. What color is that?
Red.
It's green.
Green.
What are those? Frogs. Cool. What you got, Maylin? Do you have a big pen and a sippy cup? I think you have more stuff that the Easter Bunny left you. What else you got in there? Ooh. That's not candy. Yeah, they're erasers. They look like balls. That's for when you color and you make a mistake. Wow. Wow.